Without wasting any time, let's build a setup step by step. So first, open a Euro-USD pair, and set my time to the 5-minute time frame for this strategy. But keep in mind, that you can use this method on all time frames and this strategy can be profitable on all of them. Now let's add the first indicator. And the Indicators tab, search for Smart Super Trend and apply it to your charts. Open the settings of this indicator by clicking on the gear icon. First, in the Inputs tab, change the ATR factor 6. Then go to the Style section, and follow my steps. As you can see, Smart Super Trend is an indicator with a simple and clear buy and sell signal, that we're going to use them to trade. When the indicator indicates a long signal, and the color of the candlestick is green, this buy signal is valid. And whenever the indicator indicates a short signal, and the color of the candlestick is red, this sell signal is valid. Or for example like here, this long signal is valid. The color of the candlestick is green. And this short signal is also valid, because the color of the candlestick is red. Let me show you some more examples in different time frames. To prove that this indicator is really precise and effective, let's check out the 30 minutes time frame. See here. Even in this time frame, the indicator has given a buy signal at the best point possible. If we had entered the trade using this signal, as you can see, we could have catch a very big movement in the market. This big movement of the market could have been snatched by using the buy signal, and we could have gained a lot of profit and had an amazing trade. Let's get into the next signal. As you see, this indicator signals are super accurate and profitable. Let's get into the next one. Check out this signal 6% profit. But this signal, which is absolutely great. But if we use this indicator alone, we could face some problems, same as the other indicators, that when the market enters the ranging zone, like here in this situation, we will get a loss in these signals. We can eliminate these fake signals. For this, let's add the second indicator to our setup. So again, click on the indicators and type, RSI Histo entry JD. Click on this one. This is how the second indicator looks on the chart. Now click on the indicator settings. Disable all options, except for RSI Histo and RSI MA. Whenever the histogram of this indicator is green, the long signal is conferred. And whenever the histogram is red, the short signal is confirmed. Let's say the indicator has worked with the first one. Here we got a bearish or sell signal, and if I draw a line exactly on this candlestick, we can see that the RSI Histo is red. So we're currently at a descending trend and we are allowed to enter only sell trades. So this signal is valid and we could have entered a trade using it. If we were to do that and set our stop loss to here, we would have made a lot of profit. And there's a long signal here in the candlestick green. For confirmation, the histogram of the RSI is also green. So, this long signal is valid. Check out this short signal. This long signal is invalid because the histogram is green. Check out this long signal. This long signal is also invalid because the histogram is red. Always the best trade according to the market's true momentum. I go to the Indicators tab and search, Swing Arm ATR. Now click on Indicator Settings. And in the Style section and Disable Sum option, follow the steps. Then, in the Input menu, change the trade type unmodified, and then change the ATR period to 200, and the ATR factor to 6. Now let's understand the setup. This black flag indicator actually shows us the direction of the market's trend. And if the price is higher than the green line, it means that the trend of the market is upwards. And if the price is lower than the green line graph, it says that the trend of the market is downwards. Okay, the setup is finally ready. Now let's understand the trading rules. But before moving on to that, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe and help the channel with the YouTube algorithm. We can enter a buy trade whenever a buy signal has been given by the first indicator. And the second condition is the RSI Histo green. But now we got a third condition as well. That is the price higher than the green line. So we are allowed to enter a buy trade. Our stop loss would be just below the recent swing low, and the take profit for this strategy would be 2 times greater than the stop loss. Now let's test a short trade and check out its conditions. To enter a sell trade, we have to get a short or bearish signal, from the Smart Super Trend indicator that we have got it here. Next, the RSI histogram has got to be red color. So the second condition is met as well. And for the third condition, our trader candlestick should close under the red line, and this is true here. So we can enter a short selling trade. Our stop loss would be just above the recent swing high. Till now we have seen in the video how we have to execute the trade, where to set stop loss. But now we will know how to book maximum profit in the trade. But before that, I would like to tell you one thing. Whenever you trade, use a broker whose spread is very high. So I would recommend using the IC market, in which you will get zero spread. Due to this, your profit will increase a little. And the biggest benefit is, you will be able to execute pinpoint trade in the market. So link in the description, join now. As here, we have executed a buy trade in which we have set the stop loss but not set the profit target. Because we don't know how much the market price will go up from here. This time we will use the second strategy to book the profit. We slowly move the stop loss up along the green line. By booking profit in this way, we can catch a huge moment in the market. And by bringing up the stop loss gradually, the chances of loss also reduce considerably. And in this way we will use the stop loss to book profit. Now that we've completely learned this strategy, I want to test it on the GBP JPY chart, with the 15 minutes time frame. And I want to see how much profit we could have made in this trades using this strategy. Now let's see how much profits we made with just these 20 trades. After taking 20 trades, the win rate of our strategy was 67%. We could increase our balance by 1,500% within just 11 weeks. And this much profit in such few trades is truly amazing. And during the backtesting, we had 3 consecutive wins against 4 consecutive losses. So overall their strategy worked pretty. But if you want to know about another great strategy that is just this one, make sure to watch this next video shown on the screen. Take care and goodbye.